Yan ang ulo na inanap namin. Wala. Late sila sa boarding. Rukan. Nandito pa lang sa Hong Kong Airport. Wala nang pera. Sunscreen. You need to move on.
Sinabi niya for 100 million times. Oh my God.
Ayan, so maayong hapon sa inyong lahat. So I'm traveling from Shatin going to the airport. Medyo natagalan tayo ng konti dahil nga pila sa money changer. So pupunta po tayo ng airport and we are here at the Changi Bridge. Medyo nauna yata ang mga kasamahan ko, but we will meet there. And that's the view from the outside. So mag-isa lang ako ngayon. Dito na tayo. So yan ang McDo. Tingnan natin doon yung mga naghihintay. Okay, wait. Maybe on that side. Have you checked on that side? You look for the head of Kulot. Yeah. Wait. Oh, they're not here. Maybe they are still coming. You just came, right? Right there. Yan ang ulo na inanap namin. Wala. Oo.
Siya yung sumilip doon kasi sabi niya, malabo pala yung mata ko, ikaw na.
Sakto ba yung luggage nyo?
Sobra nga.
Sobra?
Hati tayo.
Wow. Akin yan. Hindi ko pa nakilo. Saan ka nakilo?
Doon sa mga bituhan, yung mga dinaanan.
Late sila sa boarding. Yung mag-asawa doon. Taray!
Mga naliligaw na.
Yun, mga naligaw-ligaw.
Huli na, nagkandaligaw-ligaw, nagkadugutong-gutong, excess baggage, and everything.
May pera ka?
Wala pang pera. Naligaw na, wala pang pera. I'm hungry and
Kain mo na lang sa plate.
say hi.
Hi! Rukan. What?
I'm so tired. I'm hungry.
Wait.
Guys,
Sahil tayo ng tubig kasi wala tayong pera.
I'm so hungry. I'm tired. Hindi ko makadeliver ng suman.
Nandito pa lang sa Hong Kong Airport, wala nang pera. Ano sa nang pang-shopping nyo doon? Aray ko po. Doon daw, doon. Done. Boarding is done. Papasok na tayo. Kaway-kaway ka lang dyan. Si Master. So yan yung kakasya natin. Ayan, so nakaupo na po kami dito sa loob ng plane and we're just waiting for them to finish putting the luggage inside. So, departure namin is 4. So, while waiting 45, let me shoot a view from the outside. Ayan. Sun setting na. And our flight will take around 4 hours from Hong Kong to Kuala Lumpur Airport. So, pwedeng matulog-tulog sa plane kasi gabi na kami makakarating doon, mga alas 11. Here we are So next week, 6 days lang naman. So andito na tayo sa Alapaap. So that's the cotton candy. This is where your cotton candy came from or come from. And yan, the reflection of the sun setting down. Ganda. Nakalampas na kami sa may ano, sa may cloud nine. We're on top of it. Diba? Nasa baba yung clouds. And meron pa rin pala sa taas. Ayan, so enjoy the view. Later on, we're gonna try to sleep. Kumukuti-kutitap ang ilaw sa baba. I think we're almost there. Ayan na. So we're here. Almost here at Kuala Lumpur Airport. Chloe? Asan yung dalawa?
I just want to buy sunscreen. My body wash.
Sunscreen. You need to move on.
Sinabi niya for 100 million times. Oh my God. I want to buy I just want to buy sunscreen and my body wash.
You go to 7-Eleven.
Okay.
Dito kami. Dito kami.
Smile.
Dalawang nauna sa baba. Welcome to your home. So baggage claim na tayo. So hanggang dito na lang at kukunin na lang namin ang luggage namin. And thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog. Meron pa.